Hey guys, Lance here, real estate agent at eXp Realty based here in Auckland, the city of sales, and today I have a great home tour video which I'd love to share with you. It's one that's based out in South Auckland. If you've been wondering what you can get in Auckland for under $500,000, then this is the video for you, especially if you are a first home buyer. If this is your first time on the channel and you like this type of video, then consider clicking on that like button, comment and subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Let me introduce you to 3/99 Jellicoe Road in Manurewa. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, 60 square meter floor space with plenty of section in the background, and it is newly refurbished. So it may be well perfect for you if you are buying your first home and you just want to get on the property market. Without further ado, let's get into it.